Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one bringing to you a new video. So today we're going to dive into something really cool with Midjourney today. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it, how to use it, and let's go ahead and dive into this. So really quick, we're going to jump over to the computer. These are the images that you can start creating with Midjourney right now, right away. This is their website here. You can make the coolest images. If I click on this, there's a wolf here. It gives you the prompt of what they typed in on how to get this particular image. I'll just give you a quick rundown. If I was to copy this and open it up in Discord, and if I just / hit the tab button, it types in / imagine, which is Midjourney's prompt. You paste the prompt that you want in there, which is just the writing that you see. We want a snow mountain wolf growling, face view, etc. Hit enter, and then it will load and spit out an image for us. Alright, so we copied and pasted the same prompt. I just wanted to show you that you can create these images very quickly within about 30 seconds of copy and pasting prompts or just typing in your own prompts. This is what it gave us for our own wolf. So we basically just copy the same prompt. This is the wolf that we copied from midjourney.com. This is the Explore tab. Everybody can see this once you create a Midjourney account. So now that you see the possibilities of using Midjourney, let's go ahead and create the account and set this up. Alright, so Midjourney has a great website where they do have docs.midjourney.com. If you go to this website and you want to install Midjourney or just get Midjourney, it walks you through the process here. And I could post this in the description also. So it says here, log into Discord. So if you're not familiar, you're going to need Discord to use Midjourney. So we want to go to discord.com and go ahead and download it for Windows here. So you just download that, or you can open Discord in your browser and it'll be the same thing. This also works for mobile phone as well. And also, so once you have Discord, you want to go ahead and create yourself an account for Discord. Go ahead and log into it. I'll just type in Discord here. We'll open the Discord app. That's what it looks like when it loads up. And on the left hand side, you can see I have a number of channels that I already have on the left side. So if you wanted to add Midjourney, we would just simply go back to the steps here. The second step is you want to subscribe to a Midjourney plan. So earlier this year, it was free to use Midjourney, but they've recently added payment plans to use Midjourney. I used the basic $10 monthly plan. There are various other plans, but go ahead and skip that process for now. And you want to come down to step number 3. So you want to come down to step number 3, and this is going to be adding the Midjourney Discord server onto your Discord that you just downloaded to your computer. So let's open up Discord, and then all you have to do is on the left hand side column here, if I open this window all the way up, on the left hand side column there is a button called Add Server. If I click on Add Server, alright, so what you want to do once this comes up, you'll see Create My Own. You'll see these templates down below: gaming, school club, study group, and then you see a button at the very bottom called Join a Server. You want to click on the button that says Join a Server. After you click on Join a Server, you want to come back to the website and you want to copy this URL. I'll put this in the description as well. It's http://discord.gg/Midjourney. So let's copy that. We'll go to the Discord. We'll paste it in here. And once you have that pasted, all you have to do is click on Join Server. So it should add the Midjourney server. And this is what populates right away. You'll see Midjourney on the right hand side. This is their logo. It says the official server for Midjourney, a text to image AI where your imagination is the only limit. So that's how you know. It says here there's over 1 million users online right now. And on the left hand side, the next step per the article here, step 4, go to any general or newbie channel, and then you can go ahead and start creating images. And that's it. We're all set. So let's go ahead and go back to Discord. We want to go on the left hand side column and find the newbie section, which is newcomer room 3. You can come in here, newbies 120, newbies 150, newbies 180. There are ways to create your own channels and create your own Midjourney. That way only you can see your images and you have your own chat room to yourself. Otherwise, you can see everybody's images that's online right now using Midjourney. So I'll show you that in another video, but this is how you go ahead and get Midjourney installed and set up. And you just click / once again hit your tab button or just type in imagine. Let's go ahead and type in something. So I'll say Doge. Alright, so we typed Doge Shiba Inu in space with Bitcoin. I'm gonna give it a minute to see what it spits out so you can see how cool Midjourney is once you start playing around with this. Alright, so this is what it spit out, so that's pretty cool. Alright, and once you do find one that you like out of the 4 images that it gives you, you can click these buttons here. You may be saying, what are these buttons down here? U1, U2, U3, U4. So if you want to blow that image up out of these 4 images, let's say I want the top right hand corner image, you just click on U2. It'll load up that image separately and make it bigger for you so you can see it on a full screen size. So that's how you widen that. Let's say if you like number 1 or number 3 or 4 and you want to see different variations of that photo, you would just click on V1, which is the top left corner. Click on V1. Alright, so it went ahead and loaded those different variations of that first image that we wanted. So you can see the possibilities with this once you start playing around with picking the images and making them bigger and making different variations. So one pro tip before I skip to the next thing. So if you want to continue to piggyback on these images, so let's say you like this but you want to add a little more, so you can do that. If I copy this, I already typed in Doge Shiba Inu space with Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do space tab, paste that in here, and I'll go ahead and say astronaut Doge Shiba Inu, and I'll let that load up. Alright, so I typed in astronaut Doge Shiba Inu. This is what it spit out. I really like this one at the bottom here, so we're going to scale that up. So I'm going to see what this looks like scaled all the way up, and when I say scaled up, I picked U4, which is the bottom right hand corner, and I like that a lot, and we can go ahead and look at different variations, go ahead and piggyback on that and just continue to polish it up. You would copy the prompt again and just add a little more and add a little more wording each time, and it'll come out better and better and better. So that's how they make these cool images with super high res, super in depth, super detailed images. So that's Midjourney for you. Once again, this is the document section. It tells you how to use it. It tells you what the upscaling means. It tells you what the different variations mean. It tells you how to enhance and modify. So definitely check the documentation. There's a lot of good tips in there, but definitely stay tuned to the next videos because I will go in depth on how to use Midjourney and become a pro at it. But also think about the subscription plan for Midjourney, and I have the $10 plan, but you can pick any plan that you like, but you do need a plan to use Midjourney and start playing around with it. So definitely stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe if this was helpful in any way, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.